we will study about laws of exponent for real numbers. Let's start now. Prime factor of 9 is 3 into 3. Here 3 is coming 2 times, so it can be expressed as 3 to the power 2. Here 3 is base and 2 is a exponent or power. Prime factor of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 is coming 3 times, so it can express as 2 to the power 3. Here 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. So here 3 comes 2 times and then 2 comes 3 times. In next example, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. First 3 comes 2 times and then 3 comes 3 times. As we are seeing here, 3 is coming 5 times, so it can express as 3 to the power 5. So if base are same and exponent are different, so in case of multiplications we have to add their exponents, and on simplification we get 3 to the power 5. So we get a formula here: x to the power a into x to the power b is equals to x to the power a plus b. In case of division, 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2. Here 3 to the power 3 as a numerator and 3 to the power 2 as a denominator. So in numerator 3 will comes 3 times and in denominator 3 will comes 2 times. Here 3 will cut with 3 and finally we get only 3 is here. If base are same and exponent are different, in case of division we have to subtract their exponent for simplifications. So 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2 equals to 3 to the power 3 minus 2. So finally we get 3 to the power 1. So such case of we get a formula: x to the power a divided by x to the power b. Here base are same and exponents are different. So in case of division we have to subtract their exponent. So x to the power a divided by x to the power b is equals to x to the power a minus b. If any base has negative exponents, so it will write 1 upon that number. Like 2 to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 2. So formula is a to the power minus 1 can be expressed as 1 upon a. Similarly, x to the power minus 5 is equals to 1 upon x to the power 5. If exponent of any base is 0, so value is become 1. So here formula is a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Go to next example. Square of 3 to the power 3. Here 3 to the power 3 will comes 2 times. On applying first formula, that is x to the power a into x to the power b is equals to x to the power a plus b. So we have to add their exponent. So 3 to the power 3 plus 3. Finally it becomes 3 to the power 6. So if any exponent has their another exponent, so we have to multiply it with them. So formula is x to the power a to the power b is equals to x to the power a into b. Take another example. Here exponents are same but bases are different. 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. Here 5 will comes 2 times and 2 will comes 2 times. Now resemble them. So here are two pair of 5 into 2. It can express 5 into 2 to the power 2. So if bases are different and exponent are same, so for simplification we have to multiply their bases. 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 will 5 into 2 to the power 2. So we can get a formula here. X to the power a into y to the power a is equals to x into y to the power a. If bases are different and exponent will be also different, in such case we have to write in expanded form. So here 3 will becomes 2 times and 2 will comes 3 times. Simply multiplying them, 3 3s are 9 and 2 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So finally we get 72. If this video is useful for you and other learners, subscribe, like and share it.